Alright, so if I was to change these props, what I'd have to do is look at this kind of configuration, as you can see right here. I'll show you in a second. Notice how all of the propellers are tall up at the top, and this part is the lowest part at the bottom. That follows the same rule. So the top end is towards the middle, so aiming at these things. This part is the tallest part of the prop. This is the tallest part of the prop. Tallest part of the prop. Tallest part of the prop. And the tallest part of the prop is always on the inside in this particular configuration, and the bottom part is facing outward on all of the props, as you can see there. So what I need to do is do the same thing on here, I think, and hopefully that will work. So it'd be like this with the
likey